This is a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody Bluetooth board replacement guide. Tools needed: Phillips PH00, spudger, anti-static wrist strap, tweezers, and an ESD mat. Safety first, disconnect power and wear an anti-static wrist strap before starting. Remove the bottom case by unscrewing the 10 screws and lift the cover gently. Locate the Bluetooth board near the optical drive. Part number 820-2330 clearly visible. Disconnect the antenna and cable connectors using a spudger. Note connector orientation. Unscrew and lift the faulty Bluetooth board. Keep screws organized by location. Install the replacement board. Part number 820-2330A. Align mounting holes and pins. Reconnect antenna cables, ensuring the black tab faces outward and snaps into place. Secure the board with screws. Verify flat seating and avoid pinching nearby cables. Reassemble the bottom case. Torque screws evenly and reconnect the battery connector. Power on and test Bluetooth pairing. If issues persist, recheck connectors and reinstall as needed.